Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naomi and I post beauty content. If you're interested in seeing more of that, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at Naomi Toast. Today's video is going to be a review on the new Fenty Beauty Slip Shine lipsticks. And it is these ones right here. I did buy 3 different colors, so I will be swatching them as well. And then I will let you guys know how I feel about them. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to talk about the big elephant in the room, which is this tan that I got going on. I went to the lake like 2 days ago and I got badly burned. Like, it was really bad. This was like bright red. I've never gotten sunburned before. Like, this was my first time in my entire life. I had no idea what to do. So I had to go and Google like how to help my skin because it honestly hurt so bad. And it seems to be doing better now. I hope I don't start peeling because I've seen that it happens to people, but I wouldn't know how to deal with that. So hopefully it doesn't get to that. All right, so let's talk about the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. I am wearing the lightest shade right now, which is Makeout Break. It's actually not the lightest shade, but it's just the lightest shade. Where's my phone? So just a quick about the Fenty Beauty brand. It was created by the singer Rihanna, and they were very well known in 2017 for their broad inclusivity across skin tones and gender. So it was actually back then, so it wasn't even that long ago, but back then brands didn't used to do that many like different shades of color for like foundation, concealer, stuff like that. And Fenty Beauty was one of the first brands to actually do that and to have an insane amount of shades, because I think they started with 40 at first, and then now they have over 50 different shades for their foundations and their concealers, which is insane. If you really think about it, that's a lot of different colors that they have to create. So they were one of the first brands to do that, and which was what really like blew them up, I guess you could say. So they are a cruelty-free brand, but they are not vegan because they do use beeswax and carmine for a lot of their products. And for these specifically, they do use beeswax and they use carmine. So these lipsticks are not vegan. Just so you guys know, just putting it out there. This Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick, it's a really long name with a lot of S's. Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick is for sale at $22, and there is a total of 10 different shades, and these literally came out a couple days ago. Actually, it'll probably be almost a week from when you guys see this video. They are brand new. It's like their newest release. I do think that they're a bit expensive for how much lipstick you get. From what I'm looking at here, it's only 0.098 of ounces, which is pretty close to 0.1, but it's not 0.1. And I mean, the box looks like a pretty, let me see if I can get this close for you guys. So this is what it comes with. It's just the box. It has all the ingredients on the back. And then it also has the color tag on one of the sides. And according to the box, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is good for 9 months. And then basically this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm just going to spin around. It kind of has like that diamond aesthetic that they have. I really like that they use the color white or cream. I think it makes it look very classy and expensive, which they were pretty expensive because $22 is kind of a lot. And then it has the Fenty logo on one side, and then the color number and name on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see that one. This one might be a little too small for you to see. Oh, and then it actually does say 9 months on it, so I like that because I'm gonna throw away the box, so at least I'll know when it expires because it's on the actual lipstick, not just the box. So I'm actually going to show you a different color because I already opened that one. So this one's in the color Cookies and Cocoa, and it's number 8. I don't think I've opened this one yet. I'm going to try to, so you guys can see. It's a little hard to open. And that is basically it. So it's not too bad, the amount. I didn't really see any crazy ingredients on here besides it does have fragrance. It is one of the last ingredients on here, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Okay, I don't know if this is like placebo effect, but this one actually smells like cookies and cocoa. So this one somehow came with the tip of it out. I already used it obviously, but it wasn't like all the way in, so when I opened it, it kind of like got messed up, and I think it melted. I did get it from Sephora.com, but I think it melted somehow, and it's not really in place, so that kind of sucks. It's the only thing that you have to kind of worry about when buying cream products during the summer, because, well, at least for me, it's so hot here. Like today was 98, so it's a little dangerous with the cream lipsticks. Okay, no, they all smell the same. I'm tripping over here. But it definitely does smell like chocolate and cookies. Oh, they are numbered. Okay, so they are numbered in order. So I got the 4th shade, which is Makeout Break, and that is the lightest one. I'm gonna swatch it and then I'll show you guys. So I don't know how well you can see, and this is, wow, it actually is melted. Can you guys see that? It literally just came off from me trying it on my hand, my arm. And then the next one is number 6. Wait, no. Number 8, which is Cookies and Cocoa. This was a little bit of a darker. This is the darker one. Okay, I don't know what's going on. You see that? I don't know why they keep doing that. That just looks like a mess. So this one's a little bit darker. The other one that I got is the number 6, which is Retro Rose, and it's this one right here. So this one has more of the, wow, my swatches are so bad. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. All right, I'm gonna change my lens and I will do the swatches on my lip. So I'm just gonna let you guys know my thoughts. I do think they are a little bit pricey, and I'm probably not gonna purchase the rest of the colors. They are extremely, I mean, I know it's a sheer lipstick, but it's very sheer. Like, I think I would have been fine with just purchasing their clear one, because they do have a clear color. I think it's number 1, obviously, but the color is Quartz Candy. And it's basically a clear one with pink iridescence, which I think I should have just purchased that one and I would have been fine. Like, I don't think you need to purchase all colors, because you can always just put like another lipstick under it or something. They really are like extremely sheer, as you can tell. Like, it looks like it's just my real lips. They are very moisturizing though, I will give them that. It almost feels like Vaseline, like it has the same type of texture. I don't know if you guys have ever worn Vaseline on your lips, but I wear Vaseline on my lips all the time, and it feels pretty similar to that. Obviously, it does dry out the longer you wear it, so I do have to reapply it, but I personally don't like the flimsy texture on the lipstick because I feel like it's gonna fall apart, and as you could tell, it was kind of falling apart because I accidentally pressed too hard on my lips, so it was almost like dissolving. I don't know. It is made with mostly oil, so that kind of does make sense. It's kind of scary to have a lipstick that can fall apart that quickly, because if you want to carry it in your purse and stuff, especially during the summer, it is hot. Like, it might melt in there, so just be careful. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Naomi Toast. I will talk to you guys on the next video.